Making Forky do rock and roll.
Wow, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Come. Here it is. Believe it or not, is Forky. So we're gonna make Forky from Toy Story 4.
And we
So
got
we-
good guy.
We got eyes of Forky. We got feet for Forky. We got the hands of Forky. What else we got? Where's the plastic? We got plastic. Forky. Okay. So look there.
Are we using forks to make Forky?
Okay, you copy Daddy. You copy Daddy. You choose it. Let's choose it. Take your fork. Let's take your hand. Let's take your hand. We'll do it like that. Look there. Look there at the TV. Look at the TV. You see? So let's make Forky. Come. This like this. And again. There's Forky's hands. I feel like I'm doing something wrong.
I can make this.
You can. I'll show you now. So I'm doing the hands of Forky. As you can see. I help you now, my baby. I help you.
Okay.
You like Toy Story, Mai? Tell them how you like Toy Story. You like the movie? So the first time that we saw Toy Story 4 was when we went to the cinema, of course. But I watched Toy Story 1 when I was also a small kid, and it was on VHS. I'm giving away my age, eh?
I'm making this do a goat Forky.
Okay, so take this. Okay,
Forky.
okay. Take that. That's Forky's arms. Let me help you. Yeah, right. So what we do is we do it around. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, we do Forky here. And then we make the ends. So we took the wire and we're just doing it around. Then we bending the wire bit for his hands. Then you get like a hand effect, like.
What is this, guys? I don't know what is this bottle called.
That is of your mermaid.
The bee
Okay, so now you see, then we got your hands like Forky, as you can see there. Yeah, so Maya. So we got two Forkies here. Now we need the eye.
I want red. Red is my
Here's the eyes
favorite.
of Forky. So we're gonna put the eyes on the fork,
Yes, that's
and we need some plastic. We actually forgot the glue. You know, mommy said I must get the glue, so I will have to use the plastic instead. So I want it's a small eye and a big eye. So
cockroachy.
don't say that this way.
Can you try?
No. So there's a look here.
What
Wait,
did I
wait.
say?
So there's a, as you can see there. Oopsie.
What
It's
did I say? You
a
said
big
for
eye.
welcome. And in
a
this
small
side.
eye and a big eye. So give me this plastic. Where's the scissor? Do you know where's the scissor, man? We got the scissor. We need the scissor.
Children, now let me show. I'll show you.
We need the scissor. We need the scissor, man. You know, you got the scissor for us.
I
Mama, we
don't.
need the scissor. Mama, you're making Forky.
This one a rainbow.
So putting it on the eyes, as you can see. Oh, Forky. Oh, Forky. That's Maya's one, by the way.
It's a go eye.
Wow. Let's do the let's do the mouth. What do you think? Mouth. The mouth is blue. We got blue. We got blue.
Where's
So we're gonna cut it. No, we're gonna cut this one. Cutting it for the mouth. And we cut another one for the mouth. So let me make your mouth, right?
No.
Like this, we're making the mouth. She's like a smile. So we're bending it like this. It's like this. And then we take.
You will like a donut.
Yeah, so where's the press stick, man? Yes, it is. So let's do this. Taking press stick and then we're gonna put it on.
Can you help me, guys?
You want
Boom, boom.
I'm helping you. I saw you. Look there. Well, Forky's got the wait. Forky's got the mouth.
It's lipstick.
Let me make your one.
Can you make it?
And then we need to make Forky's eyebrows.
Can you make it to lipstick? Lipstick.
Lipstick. This is the. What is this blue lipstick? Give me press stick, man. Oh, I found it. Keep losing this press stick. Give me a Forky, so we can put on his mouth, man.
Mouth?
Yes, give me your Forky. There's your Forky. Did you put on his eyes? So then.
Yes.
This is Maya's one. She put on the eyes of Forky. So I'm going to help her to put in the mouth.
Samarita. I know it. I'm Batman. Daddy the one. Daddy don't have a mustache, so it's Forky.
Some of this?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is Forky's eyebrows. We make two Forkies.
Yeah.
Where's Forky? Wow. So we're making this for Forky. Where's the second Forky? Where's the second Forky? Let me see what else is here. Alright? We need buttons for Forky. We're gonna. So Forky is obviously got different small buttons, but we're going to use these small balls for Forky's buttons. Forky needs like 3 buttons, man. Yeah? So is there more of this, man?
A car?
Can you help, Daddy? I need more.
I'm making Forky's legs.
Making Forky's legs?
Yeah?
You're making like legs?
What happened?
I don't know. What is that?
I don't know.
You're not sure? I want. This is like a colorful Forky, so we're just making the buttons here. You know, I guess it's his shirt or something like that. I don't know. You know, there's nothing in the world that gives me joy. Just being with my dogs. Curry is sleeping. And you know, she's busy teething. Right? Give me another button for Forky, please. A small ball, please. I want another button for Forky, like that, like this one's here. Is there more for Forky, please? Let's make Forky's feet. So we're gonna take this. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do.
Hey, you got it ready. Look.
I want this color. Can I have this color?
Of course.
Okay, so I'll break it. This is Forky's feet. So we're breaking Forky's feet. So let me take press stick. We put it here. Forky. Let's do this. This is what we do.
I got mine.
Good, yours. Just even it up. So this is Forky's feet. And we'll take Forky itself. Let's use this one. We stick it like this. And this is Forky. Look there. Forky. We are Forky, we are Forky, we are from Toy Story. We are two Forkies. Ah! Hello. Now I'm Forky. What's your name?
My name is Kit.